Everyone, this is a warning. Do not touch the cursed bird. Ow! Everyone, this is a message. Do not touch the cursed bird. You can hear what you just heard what happens if you touch him, and you've just seen. Listen, this is what happens.
Hey, let's go in horror.
This is what happens if you touch the cursed bird. Up! Ow! Ow! Listen. This broadcast has been released to the public because we want to tell you to not touch this twitching bird. If you see this twitching bird, do not touch it, or else this will happen.